Welcome to this channel, traders. Those of you who are trading the USDCAD strategy together with me, there's something that I want to show you, something that happened on Friday. Okay, something that happened on Friday. This was the signal, and then this was the result. So it was a buy, but then I know that it might have been a confusing entry for some people, and I want to clarify that. I don't want you to ever miss a trade on this pair. It is so simple, it is so powerful. If you are not trading this, you are missing out a lot. You are missing out a lot. And if you are not in this group, this is a free Telegram group. I will leave the link in the video description and at the top of the comments. Make sure you use the links in the video description so that you can avoid scammers. There are a lot of scammers using my name on Telegram, so make sure you are in the right group. Okay, and I am going to keep on sharing these signals whenever I have the time. And please remember to open your trading accounts right here on FX View and deposit your accounts. Get ready to trade, because at some point, which might be next week, I'm going to stop sharing the signals in this free Telegram channel, and I'm going to start sharing them in the private group. So make sure your account is ready. Okay, this is a good broker, traders. These are the accounts you have. For me, I'm using the raw ECN. Okay, but you can choose any that suits you. Here are your trading platforms, and on the funding methods, I would advise that you use crypto. Crypto is very smooth. The deposits and withdrawals are very smooth. You can use your USDT via the TRC20 network. Okay, this broker is regulated. Don't worry about that. So let me just show you what I wanted to show you today. I hope you remember that to trade this strategy, it is easy that you do the analysis on TradingView and use the free indicator, the sessions indicator, because all you need to be able to identify is the first candle of the New York session. Okay, let me just show you here, those of you who might be new in this channel. So the strategy is very simple. All you do, let's say this is the first candle of the New York session. You highlight that candle like that. Okay, highlight it like that, and then if price will close above in a full candle, you buy. I usually use an arrow to point where you are supposed to buy, but if it closes below in a full candle, right there you sell. Okay, it is as easy as that. This is what I am talking about. What I actually want to show you today is that sometimes, even though it's very rare, sometimes the first candle of the New York session is an indecision candle. Okay, you see that this was Friday. Okay, or maybe let me start by showing you what an indecision candle is. It's something like this, where the opening price right there is equals to the closing price that side. Okay, and then it makes something like a cross. It can be long like that or anything like that. Okay, I call it an indecision candle. I know it comes in many names. I don't want to confuse you. Let's just call it an indecision candle. Okay, what have I done? So right on this day, this is what I am talking about. This was the first candle of the New York session. And then in this case, traders, let's go back to the drawing board. In this case, let's say this is the indecision candle, and then this is the last candle before the New York session opens, and then this is the second candle in the New York session. All this happens in the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so In this case, what you are supposed to do is observe all these three candles, because this candle alone is a sign that price is ranging, and it's very hard to take a decision when price is ranging. So you are supposed to consider all these three to find an average. So instead of highlighting the indecision candle alone, you look at these three candles and then you look at the lowest part and then the highest part among the three candles, and then from there you can draw your key level. Okay, if price closes above this key level, you buy. If it closes below, you sell. Okay, let's come here. So right here, what you are supposed to do is consider the three candles. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one, which is the indecision, and this is the third one. And then the highest part is here on the green part, and then the lowest part is there on the indecision candle. You consider even the wicks. Once you have done that, you can then highlight. You can then highlight like that, and then you wait for price. If it closes above, you buy. If it closes below, you sell. Okay, so that is what I did. Where was the signal? Okay, where was the signal? Right here. This is what I did. Okay, instead of only for looking at the indecision candle, I considered all the three candles and then drew my key level. This box, I call it the key level. And then price ended up closing above, and then I took a buy, and then I made this profit. Okay, I was practicing how to grow a small account. If you are new on TradingView, okay, you have to download that app. Okay, and then once you have downloaded it, you open it. Okay, just set it up so that you can be able to see the chart. Make yourself familiar with it, and then once you are here, you have to go to that plus sign. Okay, that plus sign down there. Let me just go there, plus sign, and then you go to indicators, and then on indicators, this is the indicator that I am using. It is a free indicator on TradingView. The easiest way to find it, just go there and type sessions, and then that is the indicator. Okay, that one. Just click it once, it's going to appear here, and then you go to the settings of the indicator. Okay, scroll to the bottom and check the last four boxes. 2, 4, you uncheck them. See that I have selected the New York session. If you are trading USDCAD alone, you can just select the New York session, because you are supposed to find your entry on the opening of the New York session. But for me, I'm trading other currency pairs that require other sessions. So I also have the London. I usually use it when I'm trading USD. I have Tokyo. I use it when I'm usually trading JPY, okay, Euro JPY. So it is like that. Sydney, I didn't select it. I can just add it there. Let me change the color to black and press OK. Thank you for watching. Much love.